Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is an update on the energies around at the moment in February. So we had Imbolc on the 1st of February, which is the midpoint between the winter solstice and the spring equinox. So that is a pagan festival celebrating the returning of the light. It begins the season of hope, and it symbolizes the start of spring. So I know in the Northern Hemisphere it can still be cold in February, and in fact the February full moon is called the snow moon. But the energy shifts on the 1st of February to spring, so we have the longer days, more light, and growth is triggered. Then on the 9th of February, we had the new moon in Aquarius. So that really highlighted the strong Aquarius energy at the moment with Pluto going forwards in Aquarius. And I did say this was a time of action and momentum with all the planets going forwards. So you should be starting to experience this. If not actual action, then definite thinking and planning and envisaging what you want to happen this year. And then on the back of that new moon, we had Chinese New Year on the 10th of February, and it's the year of the wood dragon. So dragons represent luck, power, and prosperity. Dragons are strong and confident, and the dragon year is considered to be the luckiest year. So being a wood dragon, wood represents growth, expansion, so branching out, and also flexibility. Think of the branches of a tree waving in the wind, but not breaking. And it also represents building on solid foundations. So you think of a tree, there's as much of it below the ground as there is above. Wood also represents new starts, because wood representing spring is the start of the cycle of elements. And it also represents new growth after releasing baggage, like trees releasing their leaves in the autumn so new ones can grow in the spring. And looking into dragons, like I say, they're powerful and they're confident and they can fly. They have wings. So dragons want freedom. And actually in China, in cities like Shanghai, you see in the skyscrapers, they build them with holes in them so that the dragons can move around freely. So the message then of Wood Dragon is find your inner dragon, move and believe in yourself. So be your own master. Don't be controlled by anyone or anything, and go for what you want, without fear, without doubt, without looking back. So I pulled a card for those of us listening for the Year of the Wood Dragon and got the Ace of Pentacles. So aces always represent something new, a new start, and it's been given there by the hand of God. So this new opportunity is being presented. It could be out of the blue, or more likely something you've been waiting for and hoping for a while, and it wasn't the right time, but now this year it will be the right time, and you will know it when it comes. So Pentacles are about practical, material, everyday things, usually work. So for a lot of people, this is going to be a new job. Could be a new business, but either way, it's linked to how you make money in daily life. And this to me is saying it is time for a change, and this year is the time. So again, bring in that dragon energy, believe in yourself, know that when this opportunity comes, it is yours, it is what's right for you, and know that this is your next step. And step into it with the confidence of the dragon. I feel like some people have really had their confidence knocked recently. So whoever or whatever has knocked your confidence, let it go. It's not yours. Just release it. You know, stand up straight, chin up, eyes ahead, feel your strong dragon wings on your back, and step confidently and deliberately into this new opportunity, because it's yours. You can do it, and you won't even look back at what came before. You'll be grateful for it, for leading you to what came next and what you learned from it, but it's not something you would want to go back to. The new opportunity will bring growth and self-belief, and it will bring power back into your life. So use this time then to get prepared and organized so you're ready to step into this new opportunity when it comes. You know, write down lists, do a clear out, sort things out you've been putting off, let go of old things, just clear the decks so there's a space for the new opportunity to come into. Also get enough sleep and rest at this time because it will require a lot of energy, but also it will be energizing. So, Year of the Dragon, think big, think expansive, know that you will be successful. Remember that you are good at what you do, you are unique, and you are valuable. Okay, hope that was useful, and I'll talk again soon. Bye, everyone.